Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about two vegetables which might be familiar to most of you guys. First, we'll be talking about ladyfinger. Ladyfinger is actually rich in vitamin A, C and K. Ladyfinger contains high quality fiber and is low in calories. It helps to keep the heart healthy too. Ladyfinger is loaded with antioxidants that scavenge free radicals and has anti-tumor and anti-cancer properties. Ladyfinger also stabilizes blood sugar and prevents diabetes. Many research has been established to prove the health benefits of ladyfingers, and most of them reported that ladyfingers has great effect to lowering blood sugar level into normal level. Ladyfinger gets rid of cholesterol too. Ladyfinger contains mucilage, which can bind excessive cholesterol and bile acid in effort to carrying toxins down into it by the filtering liver. Most countries such as Australia and the United States refer to ladyfinger as okra. The next vegetable will be brinjal, or also known as eggplant in Asian countries. Brinjal helps you to lose weight easily. A cup of chopped brinjal contains only 30 calories and can help you in managing your weight. Brinjals are a very good source of fiber too. Fiber acts as a laxative and will prevent or treat constipation. Brinjals are rich in folate, which is required for producing red blood cells, or also known as RBCs, and also helps to prevent anemia. Well, that's all for today. If you like our video, do subscribe in the below button and leave a like. Farewell for now.